Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I warmly welcome you to Sinar Sheet Metal Solutions, a group of Ace Micromatic. So, we are participating in the laser world of photonics with our Ergonomic Fanuc series. As you can see here, we are displaying the same machine. Something about the machine here. This machine comes with a Fanuc-based control system, and it is opted with precision laser cutting head and an IPG laser source. It's a 3 meter by 1.5 meter bed size with a pallet changer system. And we do also opt with open bed series as well. And we can also opt economic options such as Chinese laser source, Boshi or Ray tool, Chinese lasers like Rakers or Max, and SIPCUT or high-tech based Chinese controllers. So Sinar has developed in the market as one of the most reliable laser machine manufacturers by accommodating the top level machine specs as well as the economics. Sinar, its plant is situated in the heart of Bengaluru in Pina Industrial Estate, with its in-house production capacity, which we manufacture our own structural of the machine, and we integrated with the high-end components which we import from German and Japanese, such as the drive system, the controller, as well as the A-class items of the machine. As you can see, I would like to introduce Mr. Sachin, who handles the Karnataka region for the product Sinar. Yeah.
Myself Sachin. So I look after the Sinar products from the Ace Micromatic. So you may have heard about Ace Micromatic Group, which we have supplied the CNC, VMC, HMC, 3D printing, and many machines catering to the machine tool industry. Now the Sinar is a part of Ace Micromatic Group. The Sinar is used to manufacture the laser cutting machine, press brake machines, and welding automations. So Sinar is completely catering to the sheet metal division. It's a part of Ace Micromatic Group, and the thing is, Sinar is proudly say it's an Indian brand and the monopoly in the manufacturing of better robust and structural based machines. And we use with different imports like Beckhoff controllers, Fanuc controllers, and as well as the economical version of SIPCUT high-tech. Yes, laser cutting machine is booming in the market. We are also catering to this sector. We have supplied many machines to the different sectors like medical industries, aerospace, as well as general applications and food industries. This kind of segments we have supplied.